Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm really excited to be finally planting some stuff in the garden here. So we're getting near the end of May, and definitely looks like all the danger of frost or really cold temps is past. So we're going to be planting out some stuff. Got all the corn that we planted over there and here. You know, in the future, oh, there's some more over there. But in the future I'll definitely be planting more and probably do direct into the ground planting, but this year, you know, it just didn't work out like that. So we'll see what we can get out of this, and hopefully it'll be good. And yeah, I got two types of rhubarb that I'll be planting as well. And then I got a bunch of tomato plants from my brother. These and those are from my brother, and that's a tomatillo in the back there. So I'll plant those. Pretty excited about that. We got a bunch of tomatoes of our own, but they're really tiny yet, so what I'm probably going to do is just plant them into slightly bigger containers first. I don't want them to get lost kind of into mulch and the weeds and stuff, because it's not ideal yet. And yeah, and then we'll see what's what there. And then we got a few squash type zucchinis and squash kind of things going on here and there, and then I've got a few more that are really tiny, just coming out, so I haven't brought those with me today yet. And then oh sorry, I just stepped on the thing here. These are artichokes actually. So I planted these last year in the little side garden at my in-laws place, and they're probably about this big now, but I'm gonna plant some here as well. I've never actually grown these, so I have no idea, and apparently I haven't done any research on it, so it's probably like a multi-year kind of thing before fruits. So we will see, you know, what's up with that. So I'm going to plant those here. And then got an, interestingly enough, a little maple tree that grew into here just by mistake. So I'll probably plant that somewhere, but I don't know where yet. So let's get to work. Got the nice birds out chirping, beautiful sunshine. Couldn't ask for a better day. Started off with heavy rain this morning, but it's looking pretty good now. So I got a bunch of corn already planted, and I just thought I'd show you guys kind of what I'm doing, because I know there's a lot of new people since the last time I had the garden last year. So if anybody hasn't seen my older videos, I show you guys all the cool stuff about the mulch and the, you know, the benefits of it. But a really quick summary is that it helps retain moisture, it improves the soil. You know, a whole bunch of good stuff, but really those are kind of the main things, is moisture retention and nutrition for the plants. And it's really easy to work with. You don't get as many weeds, so there's, you know, really good benefits. So anyway, long story short, you do not plant into the mulch. What you do is you pull back the mulch, as you can see here hopefully, and then I've dug out a small hole, and now you know, you can see the dirt here that I pulled out. I'm going to remove this toilet paper you know, roll, because you can see the roots are already kind of coming through it anyway, but you don't want it to be kind of stuck at the bottom where it's folded up. The roots might have trouble getting through, so I'm going to tear this off and then just place this into the hole, surround it with the remaining soil, and then just pull the mulch around it, as you can see the other ones here, just to make sure that it gets enough, you know, protection, for moisture retention and all that kind of stuff. So you do not plant into the mulch. I just want to make that clear in case anybody's confused by that. You actually dig into the soil here, as you can see, remove a little bit, put the plant inside the soil, put the soil back around it, and then you just pull a little bit of mulch lightly back on it. So that's what I'm doing here, and I got a lot more left to go. So as you can hear, the rain has started up again. I did finish planting all the corn. Can't really show it to you guys because the camera would get completely soaked, but finished planting the corn. I think I counted 34 altogether. I planted I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 squash, and I planted all 4 of the artichokes that I had going. So yeah, hopefully the sun will come back out and I can show it to you guys, but if not, I might have to end it here. Actually, I'm gonna pretty much have to get going pretty soon anyway, so maybe I'll just decide to end it here. So thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys how things are progressing, and the rain will be good for the corn and everything else. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for everybody for your support and your subscription and comments. Really appreciate it, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.